In this video, I'm going to walk you through step-by-step how to start investing with Acorns. So Acorns is one of the most popular investing apps, so I thought I'd create my account today, and you can follow along with me. A few weeks from when this video is posted, I'll be creating a review video giving you my thoughts after having using the platform for a handful of weeks. So if you want to see that video, I'll link to it down below in the description as soon as it's ready. If you're ready to create your account today, you can follow this tutorial step by step. If you go to acorns.com, you're going to come to a page that looks something like this. Or if you want to use my referral link, you can get $5 after signing up and funding your account. So I'm going to use somebody else's referral offer and redeem it right now. Before we go further in this video, I want to remind you I'm not a financial advisor and nothing in this video is financial advice. Before making any investments, you want to make sure to do your own research. The first thing I need to do is add my email and a password. Okay, yes, I'm a US resident. Create account. Is your email address correct? That is my email. Legal first name, last name, birthday. Yes, I'm a US citizen. Next. Okay, your address. All right, phone number. Enter the code they just texted me. Confirm. Phone number verified. Enter my social security number. Next, choose a security question and fill out the answer. For most people, you're going to be able to click none of these apply to me, but make sure to read through the following 3 statements to make sure that you can leave this checked as none of these apply to me, and then click next. If you're ready to start investing, connect your bank account so that you can deposit funds into your new Acorns account. All right, so I successfully connected my SoFi bank account. Click on next. Save and invest for your future. Get a financial wellness system for you and your family. Invest, spare change, save for retirement, bank smarter, earn more money, grow your knowledge, and more for just $5 a month. So I don't have a family I'm going to connect to this, so let's see, compare subscription tiers. So it's just going to be me, so I'm going to choose the personal plan, but there are some advantages to the family account, such as the early function, which is investment account for kids. But I'm going to choose the personal plan for today. Let's set up the account. Now answer the following 7 questions. What's your employment status? What's your annual income? What's all of your stuff worth or your net worth? What's your investment goal? What's your level of financial education? Initially, how much money do you plan to invest? What access do you need to your Acorns investments? Based on your responses to these questions, they're going to recommend a portfolio for you. More risky portfolios will have more stocks and more international investments. More conservative portfolios will have more bonds. This is something you could go and change at a later date, but this is the initial recommendation that Acorns is going to have for you. So they're going to give you 2 different portfolio themes, a core portfolio or an ESG portfolio. Right now, let's just stick with the core portfolio and click next. Okay, so the option they're recommending for me is the moderately aggressive portfolio in the core theme. So it'll show you here are the 7 ETFs that they're going to invest for me. So large company stocks, so VOO, small company stocks, IJR, short-term US dollar bonds, ISTB, medium company stocks, IJH, international company stocks, IXUS, US aggregate bond, AGG, 5-year projections. By clicking on the little leaf right here, it's going to give you more information. So what is a portfolio? What is the stock market? Is Acorns the market? What are stocks and bonds? What am I investing in? The recommended portfolio, etc. Let's go back. Here's the portfolio. It doesn't look like there's a way to change anything here right now, so let's just click next. Roundups are on. Every time you buy something like gas or coffee, we'll round up the purchase up to the next dollar and invest it for you. Just link your debit or credit cards and we'll take care of it from there. So it looks like you don't have to actually use the Acorns card to get Roundup. So if you use your credit card and spend $4.50, they'll essentially take 50 cents out of your account and invest it for you. Let's click continue. Recurring investment, set it and forget it and give your money a chance to grow before you can spend it. You can change this at any time. This is something I would recommend doing with Acorns or with some other investment account to pay yourself first, to pull some money out of your account and invest it before you spend it on something. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to set up $20 per week as a recurring investment and click on Start Investment. Recurring investment, $20 will be transferred from your funding source to your Acorns account weekly starting this week. You can change this anytime, okay? As you can see, Acorns is trying to get me to set up a recurring deposit, an important part of automating your finances. If you want to set it and forget it, we have a free email course that'll teach you how to automate your finances. If you're interested in signing up, check out the link in the description below. Redeem your reward, sign a referral disclosure, and if you haven't yet, make your first investment. Your reward will arrive in your Acorns investment account 2 to 3 business days after you complete these steps. Sign referral disclosure. By tapping agree, you are signing this referral disclosure. Agree. Okay. Nice work. Open Acorns. Welcome to Acorns to help you save and invest. All in one. Acorns Invest. Acorns Later. Acorns Checking. Acorns Early. Goodbye. All right, so let's explore a little bit. View your potential. Hypothetical invest projection of $34,127 at age 56. So $20 every Monday. Roundups are on. If you change this to later, it looks like I'm probably going to have to create a retirement account, which I'm not going to do this moment. All right, so we have Bank Smarter, Invest, Later starts today, Early for kids. Here are different ways where you can earn a certain amount of essentially cash back or an amount of money that will be invested if you make a purchase there. Earn rewards from 12,000 stores with the Acorns Earn Chrome extension. So you can connect this and also find ways to save. What I've invested, nothing yet. We have $86.90 in scheduled deposits this month. Okay, so we set something up to invest $20 per week. So I imagine that's gonna be right here. So we see Roundup settings, recurring investment, that's right here, and then the portfolio. So if you want to change your portfolio, you can probably click on this and let's see what we have. So here again is the moderately aggressive portfolio. Diversify your portfolio with a Bitcoin ETF. So if we want to learn more about that, easily add Bitcoin exposure. So let's say add to your portfolio. Okay. All right. Moderately aggressive plus Bitcoin. All right, let's go back. Let's check this out one more time to see if we can change the risk level or turn on the ESG portfolio. Okay, here's risk profile, investor profile, and the theme. So if we wanted to change the ESG, I could imagine we could do that here, or the risk profile, we can do that as well. So let's just look at the different profiles. So here you can see 4% crypto, 76.8 stock, and 19.2 bonds. If we go to moderate, you're gonna see bonds bumps up by 38.8. If we go moderately conservative, over half, 58.8% are bonds. Conservative, 99% bonds, 1% crypto. This is just a small weekly investment that I'm making. So I don't think I need to be conservative whatsoever with this money. So I would probably choose for this, for myself, the aggressive portfolio. And then if we scroll to the bottom, change to this portfolio. Okay, before you do that, make sure update investor profile or investor profile is accurate. So sure. Change portfolio, I'm sure. Done. All right, so investment portfolio has been updated. So this is something that's obviously a personal question, depending on your risk tolerance, what you're investing for, how soon you need the money, you can update the portfolio that makes the most sense for you. Okay, and so down on the bottom right, you see recent activity. So if we go to view all, we're gonna see there is the $20 that'll pending that hopefully tomorrow or the next day I have my first $20 invested with Acorns. One thing I forgot to show you as I was going through the tutorial earlier was this little purple box right here. This is verify your identity. They also sent me an email about it and I didn't walk through that part in the tutorial, so let's do that now. So let's click on the little purple box and see what it has us do. Okay, drop a file here or upload manually. It looks like we need you to upload a picture of your driver's license or ID showing your legal name and date of birth. Okay, so I don't know if I have it on my phone, so let's take a picture. There we go. AirDrop it to my computer and drag and drop. Document received. You successfully uploaded your documents. They will now be reviewed by our team. Okay, so my ID was uploaded successfully. I imagine within 24 hours, everything's approved, and then they can pull my first weekly recurring deposit. So obviously I just opened my Acorns account, so I can't give you a full review yet, but as soon as that video is ready, I'll link to it up above right here. Or if you want to learn about investing for beginners, check out the video below. Hope to see you in those and future videos. Bye-bye.